Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat after me and watch what happens just after 72 hours. But the trick to this is you have to believe it in your heart that what we're about to say out loud is your truth. No hoping this is going to work out, no wishful manifesting. You have to know in your heart. Because this reality that you and I are living in, it's the Matrix. It's a hologram that can be reprogrammed. And if I can help you reprogram it, everything in your world starts to shift. Before we jump into it, make sure you're subscribed and bookmark this for later, because I'd love to have you come back to this video and let us know the amazing abundance, miracles, and blessings that start to flow into your life. And also throw a like on this, because you're going to start claiming this is your new truth already. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in, a deep breath out, nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be right here in this moment. And now repeat exactly after me. Reality is bending in my favor now. My code is being rewritten. I am the glitch in the Matrix. And the Matrix now obeys my energy. My timeline has been upgraded today. And everything is syncing in my favor. Abundance is my new default setting. My vibration is rewriting my life script. My life is being recoded into gold. And I choose the abundant timeline. I am feeling so blessed, with tears of joy. I know vibration equals feeling. So I step into the feeling of love and freedom. And everything is always perfectly working out for me. To solidify everything we've done so far, go ahead and comment below, my reality bends to my favor. My reality bends to my favor. What this is doing is claiming that this is now your new program. This is your new reality. Before we go into the most important part 2 activation, check this out really quick. Doing the exercise we're doing right now works. But to truly master manifesting, you need daily direction in an elite environment outside of YouTube. That's why I've created the Manifestation Accelerator. It's an 84-module system. It takes 5 minutes a day, and all the practices you're going to need to rewire your subconscious. You'll join our soul tribe, get myself and my team's personal support, and also access to our 5-day challenge to manifest $1,000 or more. So join us inside the course. It's just $22 a month, and it's where the sustainable, real transformation happens permanently. I'll see you inside. Now let's continue to the part 2 activation. Repeat after me exactly. I activate the highest version of me. I activate infinite abundance to me. I activate seeing a full bank balance right now. I activate the frequency of miracles. I activate overnight leaps in my life. I activate feelings of prosperous and abundance into my life. I activate my soul's highest calling. I activate the energy of effortless manifestation. I activate quantum acceleration into my life. I activate my highest life potential. I activate total divine power. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Now, to solidify all this as well, comment 3 times below, I activate my highest good. I activate my highest good. I activate my highest good. These activations are your new truth. This is your new belief. This is where you live your life from. And also make sure you share this video with somebody who really needs to say these exact words as well. This is your time. This is your expansion hour. This is when things are really moving in your favor. It's time to win big, and it's time to win in leaps and bounds in your life. This is Scott Haug, and I'll see you in the next video.